In this video, we'll show you how to create the league, choose the squad, and all about the app. La Liga Fantasy is the official fantasy football game of La Liga, where you can create your team of players and compete against other fans worldwide. Now, how to make a league in fantasy? First, open the app, then, from these options, create an account. After that, this is the main application interface. To make a league, click on this icon. Here, choose your game mode. The first one is played with your friends, while the second one is played in the global league. In the beginning, we talk about the first one. Tap on it, then click on this option. Now, here click Get Team. The app automatically picks a team of 14 players for every position. The concept of the game is that you have 100 million euros to purchase players and form a team. After finishing, press Continue. Now, to return to the team, click on this icon. As we can see here, this is the plan, and here is the team value. Now, what is the meaning of these marks? This mark means the player is available, and this means that the player is questionable. Finally, this marks means the player is injured. Now, from this icon, you can buy and sell the player. Go back. Now, if you don't like the team, you can easily delete the league and create a new one. How? Click on the three dots, then choose Delete. Now, let's talk about the Global League. Click on Create League and choose the second one. Then, click on this option. Now, tap on Start La Liga Fantasy. Now, here on this page, select a team of 11 players with a budget of 100 million euros. Click on each position, then choose the right player. As you notice here, the budget goes down whenever you buy a player. Now, if you are looking for something, here you can use these filters. Now to find out your rank, click on this icon. Here the people with the highest scores will be shown. You can also select to view the overall ranking or specific game week rankings. Now, how the point system works. Points are calculated based on many conditions. As we can see here, if your player played more than 60 minutes, he will get 2 points. And here, if your forward scored a goal, you will get 4 points. And this is all conditions to get the points. You can check it later, and that's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.